So I've nicked this idea.
This was supposed to be a simple 4th of July porch refresh for America's 250th. Everything was going great until I got to the front door. In today's video, we're going to decorate my porch for the 4th of July using only 3 things. And then we're going to head to Monticello and see my sister's porch. It's a larger porch and it's a great example of decorating a larger space. Okay, to begin, we've got to clean up my front porch, remove the furniture, and blow it off because we're going to be hanging something on the ceiling. And this is a really easy DIY that I share in another video. So I'll be sure to put a link in the description to my American flag string light garland. Now, there was a lot of up and down the ladder, but you're probably wondering, how did I hang this? These hooks I found on Amazon and they worked fantastic. I'll be sure to put a link in the description to them. They are well worth it. Also, you may notice along the way in the video that I'm using solar panel lights, and there's a good reason. I'll share with you more about that later.
We're gonna give that a try. I turned it on so it should come on once it becomes nighttime, and I'll take some pictures at nighttime of it. But I think it looks really cute. Let's look at it during the day.
Now that we have the garland up on the ceiling, let's add the furniture back and the pillows from my spring decorating porch project. Next, it's time to focus on the front door. And I have an idea of something I already have in the house.
See that hook right there? I'm gonna thread it through that because it's leaning like way forward with this. But I think it'll stand more upright if I put the ribbon through there. So let's try that. So I've nicked this idea because I actually had another idea anyways. So I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby and buy what I want because I originally had this basket hanging on my bench. And to be honest, I really liked it there.
Okay, so I had an idea that a hydrangea wreath would be perfect for my front door. So I headed to Hobby Lobby, but I wasn't sure if they were gonna have what I'm looking for. But to my surprise, look what I found.
So let me tell you why I think this works. Because I'm doing kind of an Americana, classic, Hampton, Nantucket vibe. So the hydrangeas are really popular in the summer in Nantucket. And this just was perfect. And then I also love that it had blueberries in it. So it brings in the blues and the whites of the patriotic colors. I thought this was great. And I found it at Hobby Lobby. I think it was 40% off, so I paid like 50 bucks for it. Not bad. That's nice, but I think it needs to come up some, just a little bit. And we need to get rid of that tag. But I love it. Wow, that looks so good. That is a great wreath. I didn't expect to find something so nice at Hobby Lobby. Time to trim some of my lemongrass. Can use it in my recipe tonight.
And then one last touch. This is like the icing on the cake, the classic Americana DIY, and that is sticking an American flag in your container garden somewhere outside. Okay, so we're all done. Now we just have to wait and see if those lights come on at dusk. The lights came on that night, but I think they came on because they were already charged, because the following night, they did not come on. In fact, I had to move the solar panel. This is what I did. Okay, first I want you to notice to the left of my porch, I have the solar panel on a black rod. I had to change that rod. It was a good idea, but it was a bird feeder hanger, and we needed that for the bird feeder. So I went with copper, and I'm really glad I did because the copper looks really nice up against this red brick house. The copper idea was great, but it was a challenge to get in the ground. I used a hammer, I used a mallet, I got it down as far as I could, but I still think it turned out really great. The only challenge I see with the solar is where to put it. I've linked in my Lowe shop one that plugs in. So if you have a plug, you have a solution that you don't have to worry about the solar panel. But I don't have a plug. My plug is way over here. So I would have to run wiring over there. I think I'd rather have a little bit of wiring over on this side. But I love that it's solar and I don't have to plug it in. I don't have to remember any of that stuff. It works like a charm. So let's see tonight when the lights come on. We'll come back out here and look at it together. Now that we have my porch all finished, let's head to Monticello and see what my sister has done on her porch.